Wagwan people, once again, I want to bring to you another news coming from CoinDesk. Big up CoinDesk, written by Jamie Crawley. You know, Dell, Dell, the computer manufacturer. Dell joins Hedera governing council, and you know who Hedera is, right? Hedera is a fintech company. Fintech blockchain. So Dell joins Hedera Governing Council to explore developing decentralized applications. The council that runs the Hedera public ledger now has up to 39 members, each of which run a node on the network. So obviously this article was written on the 7th of February 2023. Let's dive into this. Computer manufacturer Dell has become a member of the Hedera Governing Council to develop decentralized application to its customers with their blockchain and Web3 related ventures. So Hedera HBAR token spiked higher on the news. It's retraced a bit since, as always, but remains up nearly 6% for the day. Specifically, Dell will explore developing applications on the Hedera network for decentralized environments such as edge computing, a paradigm in which data is processed using networks and service near to where it is generated, enabling it to process at greater speed and volumes. So, of course, I was looking up the Samsung phone, so they're advertising everything that I look up these days. So, with secure provisioned distributed ledger technologies, DLT, customers can build cost-effective and efficient application across IT environments, including edge that provides scalable data persistence, protection, control, and process automation, Hedera said on Tuesday. The council that runs the Hedera public ledger has now up to 39 members, each of which run a node on a network. We read this before. Other members include Google, IBM. Isn't IBM on Stellar? IBM, Deutsche Telekom, Boeing, DBS, and Nomura Holdings. So Hedera aims to provide a public distributed network with the security and stability to attract big businesses to build on it. Dell's association with blockchain and crypto goes back early a decade in 2014. See, all of these major companies started when they hear about this hype around blockchain. Don't you know their antennas went up, right? They were very much interested, but what scared them is the regulatory body. So Dell, associated with blockchain and crypto, goes back nearly a decade. In 2014, it started accepting Bitcoin as a means of payment in partnership with Coinbase. Joining the Hedera Council would appear to be its first public blockchain-related move for some time. However, all right, so big up to Dell. More use case going into crypto now. You see how I go on. So UK investment giant Urban joins Hedera Governing Council to advance tokenization goals. Written by Jamie Crawley, again from CoinDesk. Big up them people there, see it. So the Edinburgh's, a Scotland-based company, becomes the 27th member of the council that runs the Hedera blockchain like public ledger. So UK asset management firm Urban, I bet that spelling is going to be in a dictionary soon. Come into your local dictionary soon. Has joined the Hedera governing council to continue its exploration of tokenization traditional assets. The Edinburgh, Scotland-based company becomes the 27th member of the council that runs the Hedera blockchain like public ledger. Like all the other council members, Urban will run a Hedera network node. Urban, which manages 464 million GBP US dollar worth 529 billion US dollar in assets, is exploring the future prospects for the tokenization of investments funds using Hedera, with the goal of listing them on digital exchange. You see, all these big companies are coming into crypto now. I mean, their highs have always been on crypto. Now they're making a move. To move to tokenize an investment fund has been gaining momentum recently, with the U.S. investment giant KKR making its healthcare strategic growth fund available on the Avalanche blockchain last month. You hear that? In August, Urban became the largest external shareholder in regulated UK digital securities exchange Arcus, with plans to use it as a vehicle for tokenizing traditional assets. So Hedera's aims to provide a public distributed network, providing the security and stability that big businesses would require. The council's other members include Google, IBM, who's also on the Stellar blockchain. I can show you that. And if you go up on the Stellar website, go type it on Google, go on Stellar, and look at Stellar Partners and Stellar Projects, and you see IBM on there. Deutsche Telekom, Boeing, DBS, and Nomura Holdings. London-based manager for Sanara Capital establishes 350 million crypto fund. That's just the related news. Yeah, man. So see what I go on. Hedera go on with things. Hedera hash grab is coming. This is another fintech technology aimed at remittances and cross-border transaction, and not just that. There's a lot of other things. Data is a big thing in this market, guys. Data is a big thing, not just cross banking and remittances. All right, so bop bop bop. Thank you, bop. Yeah, but I'm out of here, man. I gotta get ready for work.